Hello my YouTubers and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. Well, I never thought that I would be doing one, but here we go. We're going to be doing an unboxing for you guys. We have bought another vacuum cleaner. Not a new one, not a mint one, but it is a Hoover. It is a Hoover. It's a Hoover Senior 652A. My mate was selling and I jumped straight in there and basically said, oh, that would be nice for spares for mine. So as I say, this is a 652A, and I've actually had a 652A in the past, my green one, which had a bad mark on it and it wasn't running very well anyway. So, oh, look at this. Okay, so we've got the bag, not an original bag. We knew that. It is a Scenic Cleaner bag. This has been wrapped beautifully, absolutely beautifully. We've got the cable that will come out with, the handle. That's it. Okay, so it's just lots and lots of sponge to keep it protected, which is brilliant, off my mate, and here we go. And oof, she's a bit, oh yeah. Okay, so here we go, and yes, as you can see, they're not in brilliant condition. Oh God. Hasn't got a belt. Can't see one. So we'll have to put a belt on it. I'm sure we've got spare belts. Hoover model 652A GT66349. 60s. Just 60s. Yeah, so we'll have to put a belt on it, which I'm sure we can do. The only thing I'm really interested in is that lens. That lens is a lot whiter than mine. My 6525C's is yellow, so I will be swapping the lenses. But initially I bought this anyway for spare for mine. So in it is a good motor in there, it's a really good motor I've been told. So when mine goes pop, I can take the motor out of this and pop it in mine. The brush bar, if mine fouls up, then I can use this. Looks not bad. Looks not bad at all. Wheels, that's a bit loose. Switch, you name it, whatever is broken on mine, I can use from this. So the build. So obviously, let's go back to what we were talking about just now. I've had now four, technically four seniors. My beautiful 638, a 652A, the green one, and my oh no, actually I've had five. I've had five, guys. I've had a 6525C and then I had another 6525C, which is what I've got now. I've had two of those in my life. Yes, I've had two of those in my life. That's not indeed easy in my life. Okay. And now this one, and this one is just basically a spare part, a donor model. Oh, I noticed something. My hands are black. Eee. Okay, let's It's not important, but it has got a bag. It's just a shame it's not the original bag, but I will. Okay, so first of all, I think what we should do is take it apart, give it a clean. So I have been told that it needs some restoration. I'll get this off. I've already unscrewed it. So. Woo! Okay. Okay, so now that's clean as best as I can. Bulb. Yep. Just make sure that that bulb works. Okay. Excellent. Okay, so now we can build it back up. For safety, we better unplug it. Okay, so I've only vacuumed it. I'm not going to do any more with it. It will sit. It will just be spare. We're only going to be doing this short demo. Yeah, we're only going to be doing this very short demo. See how well she does. Well, there we go, my YouTubers. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. So, this beautiful girl, and it's got a beautiful motor in it. The sound of it, the growling. Yes, this will be still a spare part for my 6525C. We're going to be swapping the lens caps over straight away. The motor is going to sit in this until mine dies, and then we'll happily swap the motors over. Get the motor in, this is beautiful. And the brush bar, again, will sit dormant until it is needed. So, yes, hope you've enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.